fix if add post to your story button is missing? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here as you can see I am already on my Instagram profile. So from here I will show you how to fix this problem. So first of all, I think you already know that you have to update your Instagram so you have the latest version. And then let me show you how this button looks like. So let me go to a profile that I have, to an account, to a public profile. So I'm right here as you can see. So if you want to share this post to your story, you just have to click on that paper plane, right? And here you have add post to your story button. So a very important thing is that the private accounts do not have this button. So if you want to share someone's post and that someone has a private account, then you cannot share their post to your story. But if you really want to do that, you can go and screenshot that photo. So let me show you an example. So right now I will go to an account of mine. So it's this one. This account is private. So I will click to that post and then I will click to this paper plane. So here as you can see, I do not have add post to your story button. So let's fix this. If you really want to post this to your story, you can screenshot this and then you can go to your gallery, crop this a little bit, like this, and click save. So now you can go to your Instagram, to your profile, click on the plus and then to story, and then from here go to upload, or you can go to here to create, and we have this background, and now click to upload and choose that photo, and now you can make it smaller. So now it looks really good. And an important thing that you have to do is tagging this person. So go to stickers and then you have to go to mention and mention this person. So just like this, make this smaller or bigger. You can also tap on it and change the style. And now you can click send to and then share. So this is an alternative if you don't have that add post to your story button. And make sure that you update your Instagram. And if you really want to have that button, you can always go to these three lines from the right top corner, then go to settings and to help, and then report the problem to Instagram. So here you can explain briefly what happened or what it's not working. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash the like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.